Okay, we are here in case number 01DR0808. Denice M. Svero, I think is how it's pronounced, versus Eric Birchfield. Mr. Birchfield is here today, represented by attorney Kris Aupperle, and the Child Support Enforcement Agency is represented by Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Lisa Mahnic. We're here for the purpose of a purge hearing. Ms. Mahnic.
Thank you, Your Honor. May it please the court. It is the state's position, well, let me put some facts on the record for you, Your Honor. We are here in a failure to purge, actually, and the obligor is facing 10 days incarceration. Your Honor, the obligor should have paid a total of $599.12 over the 4-month purge period, for a total of $2,396.48. No payments have been forthcoming. He is at 0% as far as the purge payment. In fact, Your Honor, the last payment was made September 25th of 2006. Your Honor, may I approach?
Sure.
I would submit in support of that certified payment records from the Medina County Child Support Enforcement Agency marked as State's Exhibit 1, which I have shared with Defense Counsel.
Okay. All right, Mr. Aupperle.
Thank you, Your Honor. Counsel, Your Honor, it's clear that Mr. Birchfield has not purged his hearing, and however, and certainly we don't have any paper for you today. He hasn't been working over the last year and a half. He is a construction supervisor, and the economy has been such that he has not been able to get a job in that area. He is very close at this point in obtaining contracts to have an $80,000 job in which would renovate the Goodyear hangar, blimp hangar out in Akron. He's supposed to be going today to finalize some of those contracts, Your Honor, in which he'll be working, and have an $80,000 job at that time. Additionally, if you take a look in the past to the file, today is the first time he's actually been represented in court with an attorney. Now, that was his choice in the past, and he hasn't done it. However, between my conversations with him and Mr. McCarr's conversations, these are the first meaningful conversations anyone's really had with him in terms of representing him in this particular case. We would ask either that there be a 30 to 60 day continuance on this to allow him to get working and show that he's going to be making steady payments at that time, given that, and I understand that it's been such a long time since he's made a payment, or at least allow him to turn himself in Monday to get through today and work through the contract process. He is willing to turn himself in Monday to do the 10 days at that point, Your Honor, and he's here today. However, quite honestly, he understands and realizes that there may be some punishment involved for not making these payments, and is prepared to do that, but is asking this court for either continuance or allow himself to turn himself in on Monday.
When does this new job purportedly start?
Between 2 and 3 weeks from now. And I have actually a job I can do between now and then. So
why, if you have all these jobs available, why haven't you paid any support since 2006?
It just started. I mean, I've been working a little, enough to barely survive. I mean, a lot of it's been cash, to be honest. It's been cash. It hasn't been through any companies or anything. It really hasn't been amounted to be much of anything. I realize now, talking to him, though, I should at least send $100, $50.
Your Honor, if the court would, he indicated to me he could get documentation to bring to court within the next week. He indicated that to me. We could always continue this for even just a week to show that, let this court have some documentation. Obviously, we're making statements here. We don't have anything with us today. So that is another option for this court, is to say, let's come back, I want to see something, or you get your attorney something and something filed within the next week, or that's it. So
I won't give him another week. I'll give him till 4 o'clock today. If you produce documentation to the prosecutor's office by 4 o'clock today, I will entertain a continuance. If not, I've got to find you have not purged, and you will have to report to the Medina County Jail at 4. And if you don't, a capias will be issued for your arrest.
I'll do.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.